How to fix 0x80240024 error when downloading Store app or Windows updates. 1. Run Windows Store apps, Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service troubleshooters. 2. Disable VPN or proxy. 3. Pause and resume Windows updates and Microsoft Store updates. 4. Change date, time, and region. 5. Reset Microsoft. Store BIOS reset.exe. 6. Reinstall Microsoft Store. Command, get apps package allocates Microsoft.Windows Store for each apps package disable development mode register $, $_, install location, \appxmanifest.xml.